Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you for the last time in the kitchen as it stands currently. This is Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, starting on Monday, they're going to tear everything out and redo everything. So it'll look a lot different, which is cool, but it's going to take a lot of, got to take everything out and all that fun stuff. So. But yeah, the next episode you see, which will be your tomorrow, will be in the new kitchen. So, today, we've got something from Brazil. This is Nissin Miojo, Nissin Lamen hot Galinha flavor. That's basically its chicken. Also, I've heard it referred to as young hen. So, let's cook it up. The noodle block going in there. All the bits and pieces. Be thorough with that. And yeah, let's turn this down. And 3 minutes on the timer. So let's see. Today is the 5th of July. And the 4th of July was enjoyable. We didn't actually go to any fireworks shows. Went up to my mom and sister's place up in Anacortes, which was really nice. Ended up, it was kind of funny. I was thinking like, man, you know what? It's a holiday. I haven't had a slice of pizza in years. It seems like, at least. I haven't had any this year. And I was thinking like, man, should go to Village Pizza, because that place has like, I don't know what they do. Maybe it's the grease they use, but their pizza is awesome. That's like my favorite ever. So I was thinking like, maybe you can still buy single slices down there. And I was like, well, what does everybody want? Well, we'll just walk down there and find out if they're open. So, well, why don't you just call? Like, we could, but who cares, you know, we're gonna walk. Well, how do you, what do you, well, if they're open, then we'll give you what we want. And they, no, tell us what you want, and we're gonna go down there. So, took the stroller, dash cam, Miles, my wife, Mimi in the stroller. It was nice, you know. I used to walk around Anacortes all the time when I was younger. I lived there for 26 years, and I love that place. It's weird. There's definitely a love-hate thing about Anacortes, because growing up, it sucked. I mean, it absolutely sucked. Going back there now, though, it's like, wow. But, yeah. So that was cool. And by the time we got back down here, it was just like, she had to be up she had to be at work at 8 in the morning, and the fireworks don't start here until 10:30 at night. No parking in sight, so we'd have to park kind of a ways away and then take the Burt Gilman Trail, and by the time we got home it'd be midnight. I was just like, forget it. So next year, 4th of July is on a Saturday, so that will work. But until then, you know. Yeah. But these Brazilian instant noodles a lot of the time end up being more of like less with broth, more saucy. But this one calls for 450 mils of water, so I don't know if that's going to be the case exactly. But we'll see. It's boiling happily currently. And it's almost done. But yeah, if you want to check out, I uploaded the stroller dash cam video. It's time compressed. It's like 10 minutes, but it's 10 minutes, but it was like a lot more. I want to say got it down from maybe 90, 80 minutes. I'm not sure. So, something to do. Look at the playlists on my channel. There's one called the Ramen Raider Diet, and that's in there. The last time I found out was the 24th, and it's the 5th now, but I'd been losing a half a pound a day, and I was down 94.1 pounds. Well, at least for the last 2 months, I've been losing a half a pound a day. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, this one is kind of as I expected a little bit. It's not a ton of broth in this one, but a little bit. I'll let you have a look. Well, it's kind of fogging things up. It smells good. Let's give it a try. Oh, and I already packed up a Rotato. Wide, chewy noodle. The broth. Let's get a brotherator. Here's how it looks. It's tasty. I like it. One thing about this, though, this is Nissin Lamen hot. See that pepper? I'm not getting the slightest amount of heat on this, just so you know. I was told by a Brazilian guy that Brazilians aren't really into the whole ultra spicy thing. So, like, you might be kind of underwhelmed by the heat levels of varieties that are purportedly spicy. I'm like, okay, whatever. Got an egg. Here, let's point it down. So you'll be able to see it. Miles is shattering away happily in the living room. There we go. Man, that came out nice. It's funny, I'm learning like this one move. It's like slice and pivot. And it comes out right. Chicken. And leftovers for dinner. And some onion. And let's do some fried onion. And then I've got something that I don't usually use, but I think it'll work well. So I used to have a website called The Sauce Raider where I reviewed hot sauces, right? And of all the ones I reviewed, one of my favorites was Melinda's Garlic Habanero. Well, they don't have it at the store where I'm at, but they had this one, and it's just called Melinda's Hot Sauce. It's like a carrot puree based red habanero sauce, and I'll slap a bit of that on there, actually making it spicy. There we go. And I think that will probably do her up for today. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah. Alright, well there we are. And like I said, the next time you see a video on here, it's gonna be when the kitchen is completely redone. So that'll be interesting. And kinda unsure how that's gonna work, because this stove isn't going to have regular burners like this one does. It's going to be that flat top stuff. So hopefully it'll work with the magnetic tripod, and maybe I'll have to work something different. But for now, I'll leave you with my hopes that you enjoy your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.